Video is the best way to grow a business or grow a following on social media. Is some video strategies that are working really well right now. But believe me, you want to stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you a really simple yet very effective video script that will get you more engagement, more likes, more shares, and more comments. Now, if you want to skip to that part of the video right away, click on that chapter in the description of this video. But hey, if we have not met before, my name is Anna Olson. I am a coach and mentor teaching small business owners how to be very effective with video on social media when marketing their business. If you know of someone that could benefit from this information, please share this video with them. Oh yes, and remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. Okay, so let's get started with some strategies that are working really well for me right now. I had to go through all the trial and error stuff to find these things, but now I want to teach them to you so you can just get right to it and have better success in your business. First of all, I want to talk about consistency. Absolutely the best strategy that you can, if you learn one thing from this video, remember to be consistent. Daily actions in your business will grow your business so much more than sporadically showing up for your audience. And when you do show up on a daily basis, remember to talk directly to your prospect, your perfect prospect, the person that you are trying to help, and talk directly to them because they're the ones that are going to pay attention to your content if you speak directly to them. If you're speaking to many and anybody and everybody, you're speaking to no one. That was really hard for me to learn at the beginning, but it is very true. Start connecting with that one person. Another way is to go live every week. At least, at a minimum, once a week you go live and you talk to that one person that you want to help. And I just can't say enough about being consistent. Consistency is essential for you to be successful. You have to show up on a consistent basis. Next, let's talk about short form video. Short form video is all the rage right now. And there are so many places that you can put short form video on. There's all the different channels. Facebook has Reels, Instagram has Reels, there's TikTok, and there is YouTube Shorts. So you might ask the question, why is short form video so important? Why do I need to make a 7-second video? It's because our attention span is so much shorter than it used to be. So you need to get that information very concise, very short out to your customers, out to your potential, your prospect. Don't give them any more than they need and get it all into a very short video. Now I know that some of the platforms, they allow 3-minute videos. I think TikTok allows a 3-minute video right now, but that's too long almost. Unless it's really interesting and you have the right person, they're not going to listen for 3 minutes. The shorter the video, the better, but get your message out there on short form video. And different types of videos that you can do with short form video. Think about the content that you have on your social media channel. Read that in a video and put it out on the different channels. Repurpose your content in short form video. If you did a long video, slice it up and put out some short clips from that video on the Reels and TikTok and Short. It's repurposing the content you already have. You probably have so much more content than you think you have. You don't always have to make new content. Your perfect prospect may not have heard you the first time that they heard your voice. It may not have resonated with them, so they need to hear it again. They say it takes a person up to 7 times to hear your message before it really resonates with them. So keep going. Reusing your content is a business strategy and a very good one. So let's talk a little bit about the types of videos that you can do for either longer videos that you might put on YouTube or a live that you might do or short form videos. Like I said, the first one that I talked about was go live. Go live, let people see who you are. Who are you and what do you stand for? It is so important for people to really be able to see who you are. You can talk about business, or you can talk about something that happened in your personal life. I love sharing my personal story. Another one that you can do is educational. Be educational. I mean, when you do a video, at one point they were saying, you need to be educational, you need to be entertaining, or inspiring. You want to move people along to do what it is that you're asking them to do. To get started with all of this, check out the link in the description of this video. Another one that you can do is a tutorial. Teach people how to do something. Answer a specific question. Answer a specific question. Tell them exactly how to do it. Show them how to do it. And it's not about telling people, it's about showing them. You can also do a behind the scenes video. You can show somebody what is your day like. What is it like to be you? What is it that you do every day and all day long? If you have a new product coming out, you can demonstrate the product, or you can screen record and show people what your product is all about. Maybe you have an announcement. Maybe you have an announcement that you want to tell your perfect prospect. Do a video on it and tell them in person. Don't just put it in words and put it on social media. Tell them in person. And in person means you're going to get in front of the camera and start talking. So those are some video strategies that have worked really well for my business. And I just wanted to share them with you. Now let's talk about the video script that works really well. First, you want to write a really good hook. Hook or attention grabber or headline. Either one of those works the same. They work interchangeably the same. But you're grabbing the attention of the person that is watching the video. And the headline should actually go along with the title of your video, because the title of your video is really important when you want to draw people in to watch it. I watch a video based on the title. And the second thing that I will look at is the description of the video. Do you do descriptions or do you just put videos up? Make sure you do descriptions, because it's absolutely essential that you have descriptions to go with your video, so people have an idea of what they're going to get, and make sure that it matches. People aren't going to come back if they start watching the video and you're talking about something completely different than what you put in the description. So don't try to trick people by writing the description and the headline different than what's in the video. And a lot of the platforms will not show your video to very many people if you do that. So that's not a good strategy. Make sure you have accurate titles and description. Next, you want to talk about in the video. So now I'm talking, you can use this in a short form video. You want to talk about in your title, you're going to talk about a problem that you can solve. And next, you want to agitate that problem. Add something that will kind of agitate that problem. That's the second step of the script. The third step of the script is to solve the problem, or at least have a solution for the problem. And then let people know where they can get more information. You're not always going to have a call to action, but the fourth step is either have a call to action or how they can get a hold of you to get more information, because you want to lead people down a path. First, you hook them, you grab their attention, then you agitate the problem that you're talking about, and then you solve the problem or offer them a solution, or where they can find a solution, and then how to get a hold of you. It's a 4-step process. That's simple. So I hope you got some good information that you can carry forward in your business on these video strategies. These video strategies have worked very well for me, and I just needed to share them with you so you can also see success in them. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. So my question of the day today is, what video strategies are you using, and are they working? So there you have it, another episode of Anna Olson TV. Bye for now.